today on $10 and we're going to do some more blind bags. If you don't know, I'm Sierra, I'm 7 years old, and let's get to it. First thing, we have the Wishables. Squeeze me. And there's Ursula. Sebastian, this bird. Scuttle, and Ariel. I really like all of them. They're all really cute. I wonder which one we'll get. I got this from my family. Their name is Ron and Chantal, and thank you for getting me this. I'm really, really, really excited. And you can just tear this open like this. And we got Sebastian. He's so cute. He's right here, and he's super soft. And he's really cute. And I really like that he has a little star in his eyes. And he can like crawl all around, it looks like. And that's the first thing. I'm going to set him right here. And now we have the world's smallest collect all. And you can see like there is Lincoln Logs, Barbie bag, Hot Wheels, Mad Balls. I don't know what those are. A Rubik's Cube. I forget what. Magic 8 Ball. Some Tinker Toys. A little Care Bear. A glowworm and a mystery one. And I don't know what that says, except it's something. I have one of those as a big version, and let's see what we get. You can hear there definitely is something in here. And let's just get it open. And I ripped the box. Very round feeling. I wonder what we've got. It's hard to open. Oh, and I got it. And we got some Tinker Toys. They are supposed to be tinier. OMG. Look how tiny these are. These look so much fun to play with. Like, you could play with them on an airplane and stuff, except it would kind of be hard to find them again if you drop them. There's a ton of different colors. You can also see them around the edge. This is pretty cute. So far, I really like these. And then, next up, we have Ring Pops Pets. It isn't actually edible. They just come in like a shape of ring pops. There's all of these, plus a limited edition somewhere. I don't know where. I'm pretty sure it is. Except let's open it. You get a ring pop, and then a checklist, like you usually do. Oh, and here is a rare one, and you can find her in a silver one. We didn't get a silver one though. And there's also a bunch of these to collect, and yeah. These are a bunch of them. There's also a few on this side.
Okay.
And let's open up this ring pop. You have it like this, and you might be able to get this one right here. And let's open it. Whoops, I dropped him. He is really cute.
Oh, he's not fuzzy?
He's not fuzzy though. He is super cute. He has a little collar. And Sebastian just fell over. and he's really cute, and you can like put on this ring and do this, and like you could take him everywhere with you, like do 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 do. And we got Nico. And he is really cute. So let's move on to our very last one. Pocket box pet dogs. There's also pocket box cats, except dogs are like one of my favorite animals. So let's open it. Oh, and there are all of these dogs. It's supposed to come with 2 dogs and like 1 doggy bowl. I really hope I get the Pomeranian or the Spaniel or the Husky.
There's no pugs?
Yeah, I really wish there was a pug, except, yeah. And it's super easy to open. You get this little box like this, and you can slide it out. Oh, and you get this like this. Oh, and it looks like we got a spaniel and a little bull right here. And let me find out what the other one is.
Sharpei.
Sharpei. Yeah. And you have a bunch of backgrounds. Well, a few. Not a bunch, except a few. And you have this little picture that's actually a sticker. And yeah, that's pretty cute.
Do you like it?
When the lady showed us, it would actually come like there's a little glass thing, little plastic. So like you could do this, and then there would be a little plastic thing. I would say it was pretty fun. The lady said they were like only this tiny.
That's not true.
That's not true. And except these are pretty cute. And that's it for today. So bye guys.